I came across this video yesterday on Instagram. The first thing that came to mind is my Ghana people are now doing AI videos, which is true. Ghanaians are doing amazing AI videos. And if you're on TikTok, you can attest to that. So when I saw this video, I'm like, okay, let me see what they can do using AI to prepare fufu. Upon paying close attention, I now realized that it's not AI. And the caption is not written in English, but French. I was like, okay, so who is stealing our food? Like, this is our food, Ghana food. And as I speak right now, this video is trending in Nigeria massively. But I did not know that these our neighbors eat our food like this. It's not Togo. So if your mind is on Togo, come out your mind. Later you find out. I know some of you already know the country I'm talking about because you know you have cousins somewhere in neighboring African countries. Anyway, let's take a look at this video first. If you know you are fasting, I don't encourage you watching this video. Skip it to the other part because for me right now, after filming this video, I'm going to give Antonia money to go help me buy fufu. I cannot be tortured. That is our fufu, but when I saw this particular one, I thought they were preparing a to, right? Did I get it right? A to. So I don't understand. These people, are they stealing our food or we are eating the same? Just take a look at this. Like, look at this. This is our etona. But what are they cooking the soup for? I mean, what is the soup for? Anyway, let's watch it. Oh, that's Gary Poto. This is Gary Poto, the one they added oil inside the Gary. Guys, African food. This is our Ghanaian food, please. Hey, it's making another one. This must be ampesi. Is it apesi? Ampesi? I'm learning. Okay, but hold on, okay? Let's see. Ampesi. The English ampesi, I guess. Once egg comes in and avocado comes in, it is Ghana food, hands down. And this is so beautiful. I need to end this video so I can ask Antonia to go buy me fufu because I must eat fufu and palm nut soup. And I cannot prepare it at home because I don't know how to pound. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please guys, do not forget to donate for my fundraising that I'm doing right now. And I want to appreciate someone that have already donated. At the time of filming this video, I have got somebody who lives in Ghana here running a small scale business donate for the Nigerian woman that needs medical assistance. I'm very, very grateful. Please, no amount is too small, okay? Please send in your donations and everything will be accounted for and handed over to her, okay? And I'll bring you feedback. So please, if you do not know the video I'm talking about this video here on my screen. Yesterday, I uploaded the video, but I made a mistake with the phone number. The phone number was not complete. So I've edited the video and re-uploaded the video. Kindly donate to help save this woman. The husband didn't want to say much because if he tells you, you will cry. There's a lot that they are going through. So right now, he needs your support. They need you. They need some money. Any amount would do. They are looking for a lot of money, but any amount will go a long way because even food to eat, they barely have it to eat. And this is a woman that is losing a lot of weight and she's supposed to gain weight before the surgery, but due to lack of food to eat, lack of medication to continue to take, she's losing weight. She have gone back to square one. Please help me. Okay, thank you. And I'm sorry that I always bother you, but please do not feel like I'm bothering you. Feel free to donate to this number. It is not a scam. Yes, when you want to pay, you will see another name attached to the two names. Just go ahead and make payment. It is me. It will come to me and I will account for it on that day. I will not mention your name, I know. When I'm giving account for it, you will hear the amount you donated. Then you will know that it is your money. And we'll hand over everything to them and bring you feedbacks. Thank you so much. Yesterday night, somebody reached out to me and I can't wait to share that experience with you people, all because of what you people have done on this channel. You have reunited families. I cannot share it right now. In another video, we'll talk about that. Thank you for watching this video. As for me, I'm done filming. The first thing I want to do now is send Antonia to go get me my Ghana fufu and palm nut soup. Abayin kwanye. Bye bye. This one.